Hey guys, today we're going to be installing our Ricochet handguards on a Kawasaki Brute Force 450. We've got one side installed already. You can see them on there. To install it, you just need a few simple tools that I've got right here. I've got a 4mm Allen socket drive and a 7/16 open-ended wrench. We've got our clip and we've got our bracket with the plastic installed already. So this goes around the handlebar and just clips in, and it just uses one bolt and one nut to install it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install this right now. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to place it in the position that it needs to be. You know, you want it centered on your brake and clutch and the actual, grip right here. And then you look over here and just determine the approximate position where that bracket needs to go to center that. So once you've figured that out, you can go ahead and just maneuver that in, to the best of your ability. And then you're gonna take that clip and you're gonna clip it in. An extra set of hands is not always a bad idea, but you can just kind of squeeze it and get the bolt started. It's okay if it's going through a little crooked. We're gonna go ahead and just screw that nut on like that. You can take your open-ended wrench right here and then just tighten it down a little bit. It doesn't have to be totally perfect. So go ahead and get some tension going on that, and then we can work on the position again. Okay, so then we're just gonna make sure we're getting that in the correct position. You can adjust it as you tighten it down. There we go. There's the left side installed. On some of these models, you got a bunch of lines running, so you can move them out of the way. Some of them are zip tied down. It might be easier for you to cut the zip ties. You can install it, and then you can just get some new zip ties and put them back on. You can reposition them out of the way of the bracket, but pretty simple to install. We've got them installed now. It's up to you if you want them to look symmetrical. You can do some micro adjustments, or if you want them more centered on each handle. These vehicles aren't 100% even, I've noticed. So that's up to the customer how they want them to look or function. But there you go. That's our Ricochet off-road handguards, and they are available now and compatible with most ATVs. Thanks guys for watching.